Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we are at 317. Once again, that's 317 Union Street. We will be viewing apartment number 4, which is upstairs. This apartment is a 1-bedroom, the bathroom and the kitchen. So you do need a front door key to get in, and then the unit number. Okay, here we are after you go up the steps. Then here's number 4 to your right. Once again, this is 317 Union Street, apartment number 4, here in Yakima. It is a 1-bedroom. I'm going to turn around so you can see the bathroom. It's right to the right of the entrance of the unit. We have a bathtub. Some cabinets there. Window. Okay. So we continue on. We are standing in the living room. This apartment has a 1-bedroom, like I said, so we can go straight to it. It's to our left. Which has 2 closets, one to hang stuff on, and this one too has some shelves. The bedroom. Now we'll go into the kitchen. The refrigerator and the stove, with an awesome window to look out when you're washing the dishes. That is it. If you'd like to apply, you can do so by just going to the website like you did for the video, and just click on apply now. I thank you for watching. Have a great day.